Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. H MATLAB. We are on problem 6 of chapter 5 practice test. This is the practice test for 8th grade students. Problem 6 you can earn 4 points. Let's start with quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram which mean a shape with 4 sides and 2 opposite sides are parallel to each other. So a parallelogram. Alright, was given angle 1 is 102, angle 1 is 102 degree, angle 2 is 2x minus 10, angle 2 is 2x minus 10. Okay, what is the value of x? So let's start with that first, solve for x. So, as you know that if you have two parallel lines, okay, and it's cut by a transversal, so the section between two parallel lines is the interior, and the outside exterior. So obviously that 1 and 2 are interior, and they on the same side of the transversal. So we can say this is same side interior, or it can also be known as consecutive interior angles. Alright, if it's same side, you're going to add them up is equal to 180. So 102 plus 2x minus 10 equal to 180. Consecutive angle are supplementary, means that when you add them, it's equal to 180. Alright, we will solve for x. So 102 minus 10. 102 minus 10 would be 92 plus 2x equal to 180. Then we solve for x by subtract 92 on both sides. So 2x equal to, let me see, 8, borrow 1 from 8, you get 7, and 10 times minus 2 is 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. So 88, we divide by 2 on both sides, x equal to 44. Alright, our x value is 44. Now the next one, they say that given measure, I want to make sure you see what I'm seeing or what I'm reading. Given that measure of excuse me, measure of angle DAF, make sure you follow the pattern when you read the angle. Alright, D to A to F. So that is the angle, DAF. DAF. Okay, this angle is 3y. Okay, and they ask you to solve for y. So there's two ways to do this. You can either use the linear pair, or you can also use the alternate interior angle. I will go with I'm going to go with both ways, so you're going to choose the best way for you. So I'm going to say method 1. Okay, is the linear pair. Okay, so angle 1 and 3y are side by side and they make a straight line, mean that 102 plus 3y equals to 180 is the linear pair. So we're going to solve for y by subtract 102 on both sides. 3y equal to 108 minus 2 is 78, and we divide both sides by 3. Y equal to 226. Y equal to 26 is the answer. Okay, y equal to 26. That's method 1. If you're happy with that one, that's good. If you want to know more about method 2 or another option to do this, we're going to go with method 2. We will look at angle 3y and angle 2. 3y and 2. Alright, give me a second. Okay, 3y and 2. That 2 angle is alternate interior angle. And we talk about this in class. Alternate interior angle. Alright, when we hear about the term alternate, it's go with the equal, because alternate exterior angle equal to each other, alternate interior angles equal to each other. So that's what I told you, that if you hear alternate, they will equal to each other. So we have 3y equal to 2x minus 10. We have 3y, y is what we solving for. 2x is what we solved for earlier. I'm going to highlight this. X equal to 44. That will go to that x. So that will be 2 times 44 minus 10. 3y equal to 88 minus 10. 3y equal to 78. Because 88 minus 10 is 78. Then we divide by 3 on both sides. Y equal to 26. And that is the answer, and matching with our answer earlier. Y equal to 26. Alright, we're going to look at the last problem. Problem 7. Cole found GH. Okay, GH. Okay, so he tried to find the length GH. His work is shown on the picture on the right. Circle the first step which his work show an error. Okay, so it's a right triangle. The first thing come to your mind is the Pythagorean theorem. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So c squared equal to a squared plus b squared. Solve the problem by yourself first before you check somebody else's answer. So a is 24, b is something we're solving for, so we'll call it x, and c is the longest line, is facing or is on the opposite side with the 90-degree angle. So that's your c. 26 squared equal to 24 squared plus b squared. 26 squared. I need a calculator for this. Square is 676 equal to 24 square is 576 plus b square. To solve for b, you're going to do is subtract 576 on both sides. Okay, that will give you 100 equal to b squared. To get b by itself, you're going to do is square root on both sides. So 10 equal to b, or b equal to 10. Alright, now we're going to go back and check the answer. Alright, they have 24 plus b squared equal to 26 squared. So that's matching with our answer. 24 squared is 576. So that's correct with matching with our answer. Then we subtract 576 on both sides. They didn't subtract. They actually add 576 plus 676. So this is the wrong answer. The answer step 3 was wrong. Alright, that part A, circle the first step, what we did. Part B, find the correct length of GH. So LB is GH is 10. So we done with part B. Now we go down to part C. Describe Cole's errors and how he could correct his work. Okay, so as step 3, I would say Cole's error was to add 576 and 676 instead of subtracting those numbers. Alright, that how he should correct it. So his mistake is he asked instead of subtract, and we already indicates that he should subtract them. All right, that pretty much for number 7. And I believe that the last one, there's one more bonus question in problem 8. So it's not affect your grade if you don't know how to do it, but if you try it, you get an extra point. All right, make sure you study. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you and good luck everyone.